Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC has now tested the next Fibonacci support level at 41 cents, and this is like the last final test for this 1-2 setup in our yellow scenario. Please bear in mind that I am highly skeptical about MATIC's ability to turn around, but you know, as long as the 41 cent level is holding, the bulls have a chance. However, I need to see something like a signal or anything, and it would be a break above this descending trend line as also a nice long trade signal in my view. Just, you know, not financial advice. I'm just highlighting this could be a signal because we're breaking a trend line with at least 3 touch points, more like 4, 5, 6 touch points. So watching for that could be a relevant trend line, but the lower we go from here, the more likely it will be that the bounce will only be corrective in nature, and it could be a wave 4 corrective rally. For now, if we break out from here, I would slightly favor it's a third wave rally because we are holding the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the initial rally for this setup. But any sustained break below 41 cents would likely send us into the next Fib region, which is a target range for wave C in 3. In this decline, and that could send us into the region between 36 cents and 29.8. That's just the next region. I mean, essentially it might even go a little bit lower, but this is just sort of the next levels, the next area to watch. What we normally want to see in a third wave is the 1.236 as a bare minimum. Yeah, that's around 31 cents. The 1.38 would even be a little bit lower. So all I can share is we might still go a little lower in the white count. So the yellow count is not a done deal, right? It's not really shown us much other than a small green candle, which isn't a surprise, as a reaction to an important Fibonacci support level. We need more. We need much more. I want to see that break above the trend line. Until then, the trend is down. The trend is down. And yes, we are watching certain pivots, certain levels to see if the market can react and produce reactions. And normally they do show at least some reactions to these levels. I mean, here as well, you see that this is a pretty large wave degree, this wave 2 and this Fib level there, but it bounced off absolutely accurately. Just, I mean, that reaction is just too weak. Okay, so it's all at the moment, I think, related to Bitcoin's weakness. So we're watching for the first signals that we could be turning around on the Bitcoin chart. So far, we haven't seen that yet, okay? So far, MATIC is just following Bitcoin, obviously. Yes, there is a small reaction. Ideally, we're turning around here, but let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just wait for that break above the trend line. Or the risk is you're just catching a falling knife if you want to jump onto a long trade here, which you could do. I mean, you can always set a stop below the last low, right? It's just that, okay, we don't really have that local uptrend signal that would support that we are moving back into an uptrend. Bear in mind, this decline, this correction has now been lasting a long time, so you need more than just a green candle for a substantial turnaround signal. But yeah, situation hasn't changed. I've just added the additional levels for the C wave and the third wave in the white count. They should be kept in mind. And yeah, let's see what happens towards the weekly candle close. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.